everyone, so today we're gonna make a cute flower bouquet. For that you will need watercolor, a paintbrush and a scissor of course, then a glue, then a paintbrush with a very thin tip, and now you will need some wire. If you have floral wire then fantastic, but if you don't have then also don't worry, you can take any thin wire, and a piece of thermocol and white paper, any paper, and some tissue paper. This is the main ingredient for the roses. And now we're gonna color the tissue paper so that our roses looks a bit more natural. For that, fold the papers just like this, tissue papers, and now use any favorite color, your favorite color, and apply the colors just like this, and let's wait until it dries out. Now just look at the shades, so pretty. So let's start making the flowers. For that, fold the paper just like this and add some glue on the edges only, and now paste them the way I'm showing you in the video. After that, take a scissor and cut some strips out just like this, and continue the process. And let's start the main process now. Let's make our roses. For that, take a strip and take your paintbrush, take some glue and add very little amount of glue on the tip of the paintbrush. And now take the strip and cover it with the paper, and now roll the paper upside down and start rolling it around the brush, around the tip of the brush, just like this. Keep rolling like this. It should look like petals of roses. Look how perfectly our flower is ready now. Add some glue to fix the ends, and yeah, your flowers are ready now. After a minute, take the flower out of the tip and insert the wire inside the flower, and now you can use a duct tape to secure the ends, and yeah, your flowers are ready. Look how beautiful it looks. And now take the thermocol and wrap the paper around, and also secure them with some masking tape or duct tape. And now add the flowers inside the thermocol. And to make the bouquet wrapper, you can use any color, and take the paper like this and wrap them around the flowers. Now take a scissor and cut the extra paper out from the bottom, and now take a paper strip so that it looks like a ribbon. See, it looks like a little ribbon. You can also add some green leaves, but now I'm gonna use some paper cards. You can add one or more, it's up to you. And I think our flower bouquet is now ready to gift your favorite person, your parents, your sister, your cousin. And please let me know if you liked the tutorial today, and please subscribe and share with your family, friends and everyone you would love to share.